Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you how to work with boards in Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Clickup account using your provided username and password. Well, using boards in Clickup is becoming very common, especially when we are running project management systems using existing frameworks that are tagged into statuses of the project. When you're working with Clickup, it comes in handy, depending on the type of project that you're working on, to set up boards, or in project management terminologies, I'll call it the Kanban board. Kanban boards come in handy when you're working with tasks that needs to go through different stages from inception to closure. So to take that into practice, I'll navigate into my space and select my project management space. From the project management space, I have a task called video production. Now, for a video to be completed, it has to go through the different statuses that are already in existence. For example, there is in progress, and you can tell there are other statuses in there. It starts from in to do, goes to in progress, and then the activity goes to the complete status. Now, looking at everything in a list view like this sometimes could become a little bit confusing, and telling which product or which task is at a particular level is a little bit complicated. And that is why we have boards. Well, to activate the board view, I'll navigate at the top section where we have list and click on the board section. From the board section, you'll realize that we have the statuses at the very top section. I have a to do, I have in progress, and I have complete. Notice that in to do, I have 7 tasks, and if I scroll down, all the 7 tasks are listed in here. In progress, I have 3 tasks, and in complete, there is none of the tasks that is complete. It becomes very easy for me to visualize how many tasks have been completed by just looking at my dashboard without counting and looking into individual tasks. If a task has been completed, for example, from the in progress and this specific task, example, edit video, it just by dragging that from that area to the complete area makes that task to become complete. And it's very easy for me to track and showcase what has been completed and what is still in pending. I can also drag the uploads from this section and say the upload is already in progress, and maybe I can add a new task and say maybe I need to create a new task through directly here what is happening, and it allows me to say which task was completed even if it wasn't mentioned at the beginning. Well, that is how you work with boards in Clickup. See you in the next nugget.